Oh yeah. Righto, welcome to the episode. As you can see, we're having a bit of an adventure on the bikes. Heading up to buddy Cania Gorge and we do an overnight camp trip, put a few pots out and yeah, just kick back and relax, so let's get into it. $241 k's in.
That's a fair.
And we're lost. Yeah. Got two choices, go to Mono, straight to Cania.
Well, let's go to Cania, eh?
Righto, there it is, straight to Cania. Hope they got beer there. It's been a hell of a ride, hey?
Oh, that's a good point. Fuck, hey, what not see?
I'd have to have something, wouldn't they, at the caravan bike? Jesus Christ.
Yeah. $40 a six pack?
Yeah, probably. There you are, we've made it. Cania Dam. Cania Dam. Oh, Cania Dam. Righto. Found ourselves a little spot here. We're going to chuck a few traps out and hopefully any luck we'll get something. Got ourselves a bit of rock melon and a bit of steak. So hopefully that'll do the job. That's the winner, isn't it? Straight up. Gotta be. Probably some in it already. So, got my float on. Okay. All good. He's tracking. Found a scent. He's onto it. Oh yeah. A lure. Oh, we're just about to go down to a bit of fishing, but before we do that, we've just got to do a bit of bush mechanics. The old tail light. Oh, the old blinker I should say is holding on by a thread, so got some 100mm tape. Strap her on, that should do the trick. Never leave home without this stuff. Did have masking tape on it, but that didn't seem to do the job, so see how this goes.
Stepping it up.
Stepping it up alright. Look at that.
Yeah.
Brand new, like sport. Oh!
Whoa. Freezing. Cannon will cool you down quick. No.
Oh, dirty old hand line, bit of stank on it.
Wait.
Yeah, right. Bites already. I just put it in. Better not be a bloody turtle. Oh no. Oh,
no.
You dirty bastard. Best way to do these, just grab them straight around the neck. Where's that fuck? Mate, stay away. It's your last chance. I'll be cooking you up.
Oh yes.
Wow. Had me hope so then.
Cold beef.
Oh yeah, baby.
That's enough.
Tell you what, that's not bad for you out in the bush. Oh, well, now that's on, might as well see where we are. Yeah. Look for that pot of gold.
You got the 6-pack, I said.
Ready to go. We had a few beers last night, so we're a bit dusty. It's hot as anything. Time to get out of here, go check these traps, see if we got anything. What the hell is that? Is that a bass? Or Saratoga?
Tiger, I reckon. Look at the jaw.
Oh, well, they do exist. We just can't catch them. Unbelievable. Oh, let's see if we get something in the bloody pots. Yeah. Well marked float. Oh, upside down. Awesome.
I just flipped it. Pull it in.
Oh, just full. Absolutely full. Have a look at that.
Yeah.
Phew.
Man, too.
This is the meat. How can they take all that steak out?
Unless the fish got it. Fucking munging on it for.
Oh, it would have to be, but must be a small fish.
Yeah. The
Ah,
luck continues.
yeah. The saga of catching fuck all.
Oh.
Taking up the storm. Oh, stop it. They're everywhere.
She's full. Eating all.
Oh, look at that. Something busted her up. Trying to get out. Turtle. What's up? I don't know. Oh, damn. Fucking funny. Guppies. Yeah, so. I dragged these things 300 kilometres for this. Fucking guppies. With the old rock melon producing the goods.
That one looked untouched then.
Oh, that's fucking fail.
Looking at a defeated man.
Yeah. I've tried many times this year to get these fucking red claw. Nothing. Does anyone want to take me out to their private property?
Good view, but.
Yeah. Suppose. Alright, that's it. It's fucking hot as hell. We've caught fuck all. It's time to get out of here. There we go. Couldn't help myself. How cool is that? Right, a little bit of dragon. Sitting on the side of the road, couldn't help myself. Better let him go. Oh shit. Easy, he's not fast. Done 472 k's. What, another 200 to go? A bit more?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah. Quick fuel stop at Crumbit Tops. Keep on going. The arse is killing me.
Crunchy peanut butter.
And he's fishing. Look at that. 665 kilometers on the dot.
Oh, yeah. Knocks them out.
It's all over. 665 k's down.
Right, mate.
Righto, she's all done and dusted. Thanks for tuning in. Bit of an adventure. I could have been a little bit better on the fishing side of things, but how it goes, eh? So, anyway, hope to see you in the next one. Catch us.